With so many social media platforms out there, how do you know which one is the best for your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best social media platform for you based on your goals and give you a proven posting plan so that you can start generating more leads and sales on social media today. My name is Maylea, and I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the proven blueprint to start, grow, and scale freedom-focused businesses online. Over the last few years, my mom and I have been able to go from social media nobodies to running a 7-figure online business, working just a few hours a week from our laptops, all thanks to our trademarked freedom-focused profit system. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week. So if you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a single one. Social media is a huge part of growing your online business. But with so many platforms out there, one of the questions we hear most from the people inside our community is, which platform should I be focused on? Inside our Freedom Focused Profit System, we teach the 5 pillars to growing a successful online business. You've got to attract an audience, capture your audience, nurture your audience, convert your audience, and upgrade your audience. And although social media is great, what a lot of people don't realize is the purpose and the benefits vary depending on which platform you're using. The same platform that might help you attract a new audience might not be the best one for nurturing and converting. The one that's best for nurturing your audience might not be the best if your main focus is to attract new people to you and grow your audience rapidly. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 top social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I'm going to show you the pros and cons of each, the purpose of each. And by the time we're done, you won't just know which platform you need to be focused on, but you will also have a proven plan to help you grow. Up until recently, my mom and I grew our business almost exclusively on Facebook. Our strategy was to create a free resource funnel that we then used Facebook ads to drive traffic to. Those ad viewers became email subscribers. We used our email list and our free value Facebook group to continue nurturing and selling to that audience. We then connected with some of our most active group members by sending them friend requests on our personal profile, which is another amazing place to continue to nurture, build connection, and actually sell to your audience. This strategy works very, very well for us, and it still works today if you have a proven, profitable sales funnel that you don't mind running ads to. We don't recommend running ads if you don't already have a funnel that is making you a profit organically. So speaking of organically, what about organic growth? Yes, you can network in Facebook groups and you can grow your audience using Facebook. But the reality is today there are much better platforms out there if your primary focus is to grow and attract an audience for your business. That being said, Facebook is an amazing place to nurture and convert people who are already in your audience. So here's our final score. Attract and capture. Only if you're ad savvy and have a proven profitable sales funnel to run ads to. If you already have a funnel that's generating leads and profit for you organically, ads can be a great way to get more eyeballs on that funnel, but only if that funnel is already proven to work and is already making you money. Nurture. Yes, create a free value Facebook group and use it as a place to build deeper relationships with those who are already in your audience. Convert and upgrade. Yes, if you already have an audience. Again, Facebook ads are a great way to drive traffic to your products and services as long as you have a proven funnel. And a Facebook group is a great place to convert followers into new customers and encourage longtime customers to keep coming back. Okay, next up, TikTok. I have to admit, when TikTok first came on the scene, we were not really a big fan. And if you think that TikTok is all for Gen Zers and crazy trendy dance moves, then you are likely missing out on the gold mine that is TikTok, just like we were when we were against it in the beginning. Because the platform is still relatively new, the TikTok algorithm is extremely forgiving and a really great place to get your content out to a lot of new people and grow your audience very, very quickly. In fact, one of our clients, Brian, started his TikTok account from scratch in January. He had no audience on any other platform, so he was really just starting his business from scratch. And he was able to grow from 0 to over 60,000 followers in just 5 months. We've been working on social media for a really long time, and we have never seen the kind of rapid growth in an audience like what we're seeing for people like Brian and a lot of our other clients and friends over on TikTok. So here's our score. Attract and capture. Yes, TikTok is probably the best place to attract your new people to your audience. And once you hit 1,000 followers, you can add a link to your bio and drive people to a freebie funnel to capture their information and grow your email list. Nurture. Not so much. Since TikTok only allows the short video formats and the algorithm heavily favors videos that are 30 seconds or less, it's not the best place to nurture your audience. The good news is you can link your TikTok to your Instagram and use the link in bio to drive traffic to your other social media platforms, including your free value Facebook group. Convert and upgrade. Yes, people love to buy on TikTok. In fact, with the right strategy, you can rack up tens of thousands of dollars in sales every single month directly from the app, especially if you are a product-based business. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you also get the ability to go live. And while Facebook Lives are primarily there to give value to your audience, you can think of TikTok Lives as a QVC-style television show. Use your lives to do product demos, offer product specials and incentives, and drive people to purchase immediately through the link in your bio. Okay, let's talk about Instagram. A few years ago, Instagram was indisputably the best place to grow your audience organically on social media. If you wanted to grow an audience quickly without spending any money on ads, Instagram was the place to do it. However, over the last few years, people have been reporting that as the platform has grown, it's become harder and harder to grow your following on Instagram. But then Instagram released Reels and everything changed. Right now, Reels are one of the fastest ways to rapidly grow your audience on Instagram. Many creators are growing their following by hundreds or even thousands of new followers every single week thanks to Instagram Reels. And when you throw in all the other features that you get inside the Instagram app, it really puts that social media platform in a class by itself. So here's our score. Attract and capture. Yes, a consistent Instagram Reels strategy combined with a solid link in bio can help you not only attract an audience and gain followers, but also bring them deeper into your world by pushing them through your freebie funnel and getting them on your email list. Nurture. Yes. Features like Instagram stories, highlights, feed posts, and Instagram's robust DM platform make it ideal not just to attract new followers and leads, but to nurture them as well. Use all of Instagram features to establish yourself as a trusted resource for your audience and connect with them on a personal level. Convert and upgrade. Again, yes, while Instagrammers aren't quite as shopping happy as TikTok users, people are conditioned to shop and buy directly from people and brands they love through the app. People use Instagram to discover brands, products, and services they love. And now more than ever, people will often go check out a brand's Instagram account when deciding whether to make a purchase. A great example of this, my mom was recently hosting a bridal shower for my little sister's best friend. She wanted some custom charcuterie boards made for the shower, and so she went on Instagram and found a local woman who creates these gorgeous custom charcuterie boards on these beautiful wood platters. They're really a work of art. We were almost hesitant to eat them because they were so beautiful, but we did eat them and they tasted amazing. And she found that woman on Instagram. So that's a really great example of someone who took their business, used Instagram to share their product with people, and then was found by her ideal client, who happened to be, in this case, my mom. And since Instagram is owned by Facebook, you also get to tap in and leverage the Facebook Ads Manager. So when you do have a proven sales funnel in place and you're ready to start running ads to really amp up your traffic, you can take advantage of both Facebook and Instagram to run your ads too. Okay, by now you should have a pretty clear idea of which platform is best for your business. Here at the Global Freedom Community, we use Instagram and a little bit of TikTok to grow our audience organically. When we want to grow our audience and capture new leads using ads, we use the Facebook Ad Manager to run ads on both Facebook and Instagram. We use Instagram and Facebook groups to nurture and convert our audience, using all of Instagram's features like stories, highlights, feed posts, especially carousels, are a really great way to nurture your audience, provide them a lot of value, and even connect with them individually one-on-one. We use our free value Facebook group to further nurture and convert people into our programs and offers. And then once people become clients or customers, we connect with them further inside our private, paid-only Facebook groups as well. If we had to start all over again from scratch, we would use TikTok and Instagram to grow our audience organically and test our free resource and sales funnels. Once we had a profitable funnel that was proven to work on our free audience, we would pour some gasoline on the fire and amp things up with a solid Facebook and Instagram ad strategy. We would still drive all of our leads to our free value Facebook group, as we have found it is still the best way to nurture and to really build relationships with the most active people in our community. All right, so now that you know all about the platforms, let's talk about posting. But before we do, I would love it if in the comments below, you would share which platform you are most excited and committed to grow over the next 90 days based on what you discovered today. We covered Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Let me know in the comments, which one are you most excited and are you committed to growing for your business over the next 90 days? Okay, let's talk posting. First up, your Facebook business page. Don't stress about this one too much. The Facebook algorithm doesn't really like to show your business post to people unless you're running ads to that post. So yeah, if you have a Facebook business page, pre-schedule a few inspirational quotes to post each week, share your weekly hero content like your YouTube videos or your blog posts, and go live once a week at the same time as a way to deliver deeper value to your audience. Here's a little tip. If you're going to go live once a week, which we definitely recommend, then send out an email to your list 15 minutes before you go live. This will 10x your viewers, not just while you're on live, but even with the replay. And you can use platforms like StreamYard to stream simultaneously on your Facebook business page, your personal profile, in your groups, and even here on YouTube. What about your Facebook profile? Right now, the algorithm is really loving it if you only post on your Facebook profile once a day. Each week, post one personal post, one inspiring post, 2 value posts, 1 entertaining post, and 2 promotional posts on your personal profile. Put anything else you want to post in your stories. When it comes to Instagram, there are really 3 main categories that you want to hit every single week with your posts: attract, nurture, and convert. Unlike Facebook, the Instagram algorithm does not punish you for posting more often. So set a goal to post at least 1 time a day on Instagram and as many as 4 times a day. The key is to focus on what you can maintain, as consistency is the biggest factor for algorithmic favor on Instagram. It's better to post once a day consistently than it is to post 4 times a day for a week and then take a week off because you're exhausted or out of content ideas. For maximum growth, 3 to 7 of your posts each week should be Instagram Reels. TikTok. Think of Instagram, but more. Okay, you still want to hit those 3 major categories: attract, nurture, and convert. But instead of posting 1 to 4 times a day, you want to be posting 3 to 5 times a day for maximum growth on TikTok. Remember to keep all of your videos focused on one specific niche. Use clear calls to action to drive viewers to visit the link in your bio, purchase your products, or connect with you on other social media platforms. If you want our full social media strategy, including our personal posting schedule, full descriptions and examples of all the post types I've mentioned today, and our complete strategy for how to leverage and sell using Facebook and Instagram stories, then be sure to go download our proven social media posting plan over at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. Or you can just hit the link in the description below to grab it now. This is our most popular free resource, and we always keep it updated with the best practices for each platform using the most current algorithm updates. We provide you with a sample posting schedule for each platform, not just for your feed posts, but for your stories as well. This guide is valued at $97, but you can download it free right now at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. Or, like I said, just click on the link in the description below this video. That's all for now. If you want to dive deeper into our 5 pillars of our freedom-focused profit system, then be sure to check out this video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified the next time a new video is released. Go grab your social media posting plan, and we'll see you back here for the next video.